How can I print variable and string on same line in Python? I am using Python to work out how many children would be born in 5 years if a child was born every 7 seconds. The problem is on my last line. How do I get a variable to work when I'm printing text either side of it? Here is my code.
Use to separate strings and variables while printing. In print function separates the items by a single space. Or better use string formatting. String formatting is much more powerful and allows you to do some other things as well, like padding, fill, alignment, width, set precision, etc. Demo.
Two more. The first one. When adding strings, they concatenate. The second one. Also the format, Python 2.6 and newer, method of strings is probably the standard way. This format method can be used with lists as well. Or dictionaries. Edit. It's 2022 and Python 3 has F strings now.
If you want to work with Python 3, it's very simple.
Python is a very versatile language. You may print variables by different methods. I have listed below 5 methods. You may use them according to your convenience. Example. Method 1. Method 2. Method 3. Method 4. Method 5. The output would be
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.